For these questions, 6 through 11, they all have to do with this graph. So if I want to identify the domain, those are the x's, and use interval notation, remember that's going to go from the lowest number to the highest number. Okay, so if I look over here, and I start on the left side of the graph, and I go, okay, there it is, right here, at this x value, which is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's negative 5. And if I continue all the way along, this way, all the way across, the last x value is right here. So this is going to be the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's positive 5. Now, this is an open circle, which tells me to use a parenthesis. Okay, if I have a closed circle, I'm going to use a bracket. So, going from lowest to highest, my lowest number is negative 5, and it is an open circle, so that tells me to use a parenthesis. And then my highest number is this 5 right here, and it tells me to use a bracket. So from negative 5 to positive 5 with a bracket. For the range, I'm going to start at my lowest value. So start on the bottom, okay? I'm going to go up to my highest, so my lowest value is right here, okay? And this lowest value happens at 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. And then my highest value is right here. That's my highest value for the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So for my range, I'm going to go and I use an open parenthesis because this is an open circle all the way up to 4, the highest point on the graph. And I use a bracket because it has a closed circle. Now, is this relation a function? Yes. Okay. And why? Because if you draw a vertical line, do you see how that only passes the graph one time? So because it only passed it one time, we can say it passes the vertical line test. Okay? Another explanation would be that the domain, or the x values, do not repeat. Either one of those would be okay. Is it continuous or discrete? It is continuous because it's a set of infinitely connected points. Okay, so it's a set of infinitely connected points, and if you put your pencil on here on the graph, you can see that you can draw the whole thing without ever picking up your pencil. That makes it continuous.